hold on. Okay, here we go again. We're back. He's been dealing with this for, what, an hour and a half?
So I've wanted to stab myself a few times.
Only a couple? That's pretty good.
It's a little frustrating. So floorboards are back on. There's some really strange adjustment to it. For some reason, there's 3 different adjustments on the left side. There's only 2 adjustments on the front, on the right side. Go figure that out. So I measured and made them the same.
Yeah.
And then this back bolt on the right-hand side was canted. So you got a really weird cant, so you can have it so that you're basically riding like this for some reason. I don't understand it. So I moved it up, but it's really hard to get in there.
Yeah.
It's that really big bolt, and it's with all of your clutch cables.
It's got a stack of holes going up on
right.
it.
Right. It's
you're on the bottom one now.
It's really hard to get in there, and it's frustrating.
Yeah, you're on the bottom now. You're up on the top probably.
Yeah.
Now the boards are flat.
All that's squared away.
And I think it's got a really long shift lever.
Yeah, the shift lever just seems.
It's way longer.
Gargantuan.
It looks way longer than normal. Why don't you jump up there and put your feet on it? So you got the lever adjusted way low, but you say it fits your foot. So
this is gonna be a work truck. I work in a full tuxedo. So when I'm riding to work, I'm usually riding in like fancy shoes.
There you go.
You're gonna expect. So the lever has to be a little lower, right? So
put your foot on that. See, right now that foot is 4 inches in front of the right foot.
Right.
Yeah, you got your foot completely off the footboard to make that shift lever work.
to make the shift. It just seems like the shifter should kind of fall closer.
That is where it normally is. Right right now where your foot is, it would be right on top of your toe.
It almost feels like you gotta reach forward to shift and then pull your foot back.
You do, but you're tall, so it works. But
yeah, it doesn't matter because I got the reach, but it almost seems like you should be grabbing something a little closer than that. You know?
And
it
take
does
the brake.
work just fine, you know what I mean, for me, so I can just shift and move on.
Because the brake lever is 4 inches back, and they're usually pretty close to the same. So that's definitely an extra long lever.
It feels good. It feels right. You know, I'm 6 foot. This is a little shorter, but like I like it. It feels good.
Yeah.
It's a good riding position. I got mids on the RT, and then forwards on the other one. I guess this is considered a forward control. Yeah.
No, it's footboard. It's different.
Mid or I don't know what you
It's footboards.
It feels good.
It's in between. It's actually between a mid and a forward. So.
Right. They feel good. To get the spring on, I did the quarter trick. For anybody that doesn't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So here's this hole he had to deal with over here. He was on the bottom. He had to move it up. And it was, like I said, it's hard to get to because you're all behind all the cables. The brake lines are in the way, and it's just a pain getting up in there. Lack of space, so. Even this lever looks a little long. But that other one, it's way, I've never seen anything that long.
You see the options they give you on the front, on the right, you have 2 options. This one and this one.
Yeah.
On the left, you have
3.
1, 2, 3.
You see 3, yeah.
It's strange.
Yeah. You'd think they'd be equal.
Like 2 in the front, 2 in the back. You choose what you want. Either way, it's on.
All right, we got the chassis pretty well buttoned up. It's just now we got this blank spot right in the middle here.
Some issue here.
Missing a couple parts. Parts and pieces is missing. Oh well. So you're gonna use the seat off the FXR on here?
No, this is my FXR one is hanging over there. This is a swap meet special. I got this at the Vegas swap meet. Some chick and some guy bought it for her girl, and for his girl, and she thought it was too stiff. She didn't like it.
Because this is like it moves. It looks like this will move forward.
As you can see, it's like brand spanking new.
Yeah, but this seat's moved forward a lot for someone short.
That's
why your feet can go so far forward. But
you know, I love these Saddlemans. I snatched this for $200. It was rode twice. I mean, it's brand new, so I'm happy to have it. It's comfortable.
So you don't like that?
You can see it's a slight upgrade.
You don't like that turd down there?
From that turd. I mean, it's embarrassing.
Sofa.
So yeah, I was happy to get that.
Yeah, see that thing's moved forward quite a bit, and that's why you can put your feet way past the footboards on this bike.
Yep.
Even that front crash bar looks like it's way far forward compared to what it normally would be. But, I don't know. I don't know what these late bikes are. For a normal bike, it's way forward. Because on the old bike, it's literally the crash bar comes straight up right here, right to the frame.
Yeah.
That's where they're at. They're way back here. This thing is way up here. So it's kind of weird. Like I said, I think this whole bike is for a stretch for some tall guy. And then you put a short gal seat on it, which moves you forward. Oh well. As long as it all fits, it all fits. All right, we'll get this mess cleaned up and see what we're gonna do next. Hopefully something in the motor.